Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak on Deshbandhu Gupta. He was born on 14th of June 1901 in Badi Pahad area of Panipat. His father was a petition writer and a Vedic scholar who also wrote Urdu prose and poetry. He completed his initial schooling at Panipat and subsequently did his studies at St. Stephen College, Delhi. During his college days, he worked as an assistant for Jamnalal Bajaj, cloth merchant at Chandni Chowk for a period of 18 days. He was very upset with the event of Jallianwala Bagh and then started actively participating in the Indian freedom movement. He became the member of Indian National Congress. He was elected to the Constituent Assembly from Delhi on a Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues like he himself being a journalist, he strongly supported freedom of press in India. He also believed that imposing unnecessary taxes on newspapers will create a problem to the very purpose the newspapers serve. He spoke on the Chief Commissioner Provinces concept. Let's see what he spoke on that. On 30th of July 1947, regarding Chief Commissioner's Provinces, quote, considering the difficulties that the people in the Chief Commissioner Provinces have to face, they should not be deprived of any kind of an self-government now. Besides this, the part they have played in the struggle for the freedom should come before the committee, and I hope it would recommend such a constitution and would be acceptable to the whole house, unquote. So this is what he spoke regarding the Chief Commissioner Provinces. He died in a plane crash on 21st of November 1951. We are grateful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.